Hello, everyone! You're watching Never Throw Away Old Batteries. Collect them and turn them into money. In this video, we'll place old batteries on a flame. Make sure to watch today's creative idea till the end and try it out. But remember to follow safety precautions. First, remove the outer layer of the battery and take out the contents inside. Be careful. The edges of the battery and the cutter are extremely sharp and can injure your hands. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, now is the time. Support me by subscribing, liking the video, and sharing it with your friends. Your support means the world to me. Next, add some bleach or liquid soap and mix it well. Our magical solution is ready. Now, simply apply it to the cloudy plastic parts of your car and see the difference for yourself. Clean the surface with a cloth and enjoy the amazing results. This method works great for other items too, like tires wires and plastic tools that have become dull over time. At the end of the video, I'll reveal another trick that even works on old, dull toolboxes. With this technique, you can make old plastic tools look brand new again. Now, leave me a comment. Did you like this trick? Where are you watching my video from? Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.